Hello, everyone, and welcome to The Daily Dose, the podcast where technology meets real life conversations. I'm Angelo, coming to you from the sunny offices of Velocity Technologies in Tempe, Arizona.
And I'm Naya, broadcasting from our hub in Tucson, Arizona. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been buzzing in the tech community and beyond. Is your iPhone listening to you for ads? We'll also address the recent revelations about Siri and data privacy.
That's right, Naya. This issue has been a point of contention for users globally, sparking debates about privacy and security. Apple has come forward to confirm that Siri data has never been sold to anyone. Let's dissect what this means for the everyday user and the broader implications on data privacy.
To begin, let's explore why iPhone users are concerned about their devices listening to them. It's not uncommon for people to see ads for products they've only mentioned in conversation. This has led to a widespread belief that our smartphones are constantly eavesdropping. Angelo, have you heard similar stories?
Absolutely, Nia. It's a sentiment many iPhone users share. The fear is that our devices are monitoring conversations to serve targeted ads, violating privacy without consent. This has stirred a lot of discussions, especially with smart assistants like Siri involved.
Apple has consistently positioned itself as a privacy-speaked company. They argue that privacy is a fundamental human right and have implemented measures to protect user data. Angelo, can you tell us more about Apple's privacy policies regarding Siri?
Certainly, Nia. Apple claims that Siri requests are anonymized and associated with a random identifier instead of an Apple ID. This means that even if data is collected, it isn't directly linked to a specific user identity. Their approach is to ensure data security and privacy by design.
Let's talk about the role of machine learning in this context. How does Apple utilize it in Siri's functioning while maintaining privacy?
Great question. Machine learning enables Siri to understand and process user requests more effectively. Apple processes much of this data locally on the device, which reduces the amount of data sent to their servers. This local processing is part of their strategy to protect user privacy while improving functionality.
It's crucial to address some misconceptions. Users often confuse targeted ads with their devices actively listening to them. Angelo, can you elaborate on how targeted advertising works?
Sure, Nia. Targeted advertising relies heavily on data collected from online activities, such as browsing history, search queries, and app usage. This data helps advertisers create personalized ads. However, this doesn't necessarily mean our devices are recording our conversations. Browsing behavior is tracked using cookies and other online tools, not through active listening.
Despite Apple's reassurances, privacy concerns linger. What's the current state of Siri's data usage, and how does it impact user privacy?
Apple has been transparent about using Siri data to improve their services. They use audio recordings and transcripts to enhance Siri's performance. However, they highlight that these are not linked to specific users. Apple also introduced an option to delete Siri history, offering users more control over their data.
Let's compare Apple's approach with other tech giants like Google and Amazon. How do they handle data privacy with their voice assistants?
Google and Amazon also use voice data to improve their services, but the way they handle data varies. Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa collect data that can be viewed, managed, or deleted by users. However, the level of transparency and control Apple offers is often seen as more user-centric, in line with their privacy-focused branding.
Public perception and trust are critical in this discussion. How does Apple's commitment to privacy influence consumer trust?
Apple's emphasis on privacy has positively influenced consumer trust. Users often choose Apple products because they believe the company prioritizes their privacy. By making privacy a central theme in their marketing strategy, Apple differentiates itself from competitors who are perceived as less protective of user data.
Looking ahead, what does the future hold for data privacy, especially concerning voice assistants?
The future of data privacy is likely to involve even more stringent regulations and improved transparency from tech companies. As consumers become more privacy conscious, companies will need to adapt by offering more control over personal data and ensuring clear communication about how data is used?
Indeed, Angelo. The conversation around privacy will continue to evolve as technology advances. Companies like Apple will need to stay ahead of this curve to maintain user trust and confidence.
That wraps up our discussion for today, but before we sign off, let's hear a word from our sponsors.
This episode of The Daily Dose is brought to you by Velocity Technologies, your trusted partner in IT solutions from Arizona. Whether you're in Tempe or Tucson, Velocity Technologies is dedicated to providing cutting-edge technology services tailored to your business needs. From cybersecurity to cloud solutions, they're your go-to team for all things tech. Visit velocitytech.rg to learn more about how they can help your business thrive in the digital age.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time for more tech insights and discussions. Have a great day.